ITC numbers are out. Q1 PAT 1890. Okay, this is exactly in line with what the Whisper number was, though I must say it is below. Actually, no, in line with what we were figuring out as well. 1894 versus 1602. So PAT up around 17% for ITC. Bring up the revenue figure as well. The expectations were that they'll do in 7,800 odd crores. I wonder what the number is.
It's come in a little below actually at 73.38 in terms of the top line figure this time around for an ITC. We're watching out for EBITDA margins of 35.3%. Just break it up in terms of the individual businesses. We were expecting that the FMCG business profit would go up, and yes, revenues rather would go up, and yes, it has. 1744 is the kind of revenue that it's clocked in for the FMCG business. Agri has really been a good contributor to growth in the first quarter too of FY14. It's not disappointed this time around. 2189 crores. This is vis-a-vis 1691, so a healthy bump up there. The hotels business, well, that has been a bit of a laggard, and it's at 250 crores. Some more numbers?
Navneet is waiting by as well. Navneet, surprised with the EBITDA performance?
Yes, Neeraj, absolutely. It is a big miss on the top line. But in fact, if you look at the operating performance, the margins this time around have come in at about 38% versus our estimate of about 35%. So yes, it is a miss on the top line. Your bottom line is pretty much in line what we were expecting, and the operating performance is above estimate. So the margins have come in at about 38%. In fact, if you look at the segmental results, the revenues from the cigarette space have gone up by about 7%. From the FMCG space, it's gone up by about 18%. Hotels continue to be a drag. Revenues have surged only 8%. Agri, the third straight quarter where they've done well from this particular segment. So revenues from Agri have gone up by about 29%. No surprises from paper and paper boards. Revenues up 12%. But most importantly, I'll just highlight the EBIT margins from the cigarette space. That has come in at about 63.36% versus 57.48%. So yes, it is again the cigarette business which has actually aided the operating performance, because margins from the cigarette space have surged by about, say, 6%. So that will be about 600 basis points. And the FMCG business have posted a loss of about 18 crore versus profit of 13 crore, which was posted in the previous quarter. Well, the margins from the hotel business have come down drastically to about 3.56% versus 11%. Agri, muted performance. Paper and paper boards margins have also come down. So overall, it's a big miss on the top line.